A switch is a device used to connect or disconnect the flow of current in a circuit. The light switch in your house is a type of switch. A switch has 3 terminals, a ground terminal, and 2 hot terminals. Each terminal has a screw that can be tightened or loosened. To wire a switch, we bend the exposed copper wire into a hook shape. The hook shape allows us to attach the wire to a terminal. The hook goes underneath each screw. To wire the switch, we start by loosening each screw on the switch. Once the screw is loosened, we hook the wire underneath the screw head. Once the hook is under the screw head, we tighten the screw again. The screw holds the hook in place and makes a strong connection. We connect the ground wire to the green terminal of the switch. We will connect a hot wire into each of the hot terminals. One hot wire comes from the previous component in the circuit. The other hot wire goes to the next component in a circuit.